5 minutes long by now.
Doesn't sound like there's anything inside of there. It's so hollow.
Well, I know because these are long cars. Wonder what it feels like for the. Oh, I can see the railroad bending
Oh yeah, look at that.
because it's so heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right at the train. Oh, look at it. Nope, might be stopping. Damn it. Look. Oh, my blood.
Cars are on here.
10,000? I think there's a. Is this a cargo train?
That's the cargo train.
9 minutes.
Canadian Pacific.
This is CSX. Stupid. Oh, the rails are bending. Is this one charged?
No.
How do you know? It's all diesel?
Third rail, man. The cars are on here.
It's going all the way down and train down there. I think there's a back engine. Oh no, he stopped. He's stopping.
He might be hooking up more cars in the yard. And then he calls back ahead of the guy. Alright, you hooked up. And then he takes off again. Alright, we hooked up some more, and he takes off again.
I hate that
There's
noise.
no horn over here, right? You're good.
But there might be a back engine. I think I see a back engine. Because once I see the boom, that means
Stop the video, you want to keep it going?
keep it going. 10 minutes so far.
Yeah.
What's that noise?
Everything's settling.
Is everything settling in?
It's all metal connected to metal, so when they hook up something down here, it vibrates through the whole train. I hear another one. Maybe he's blowing his down there.
Yeah, because there's a crossing.
I think they're hooking up more cars down there.
Yeah, it's down there. I can hear it.
What are you doing with all this video? It's high